Does Amazon FBA fees include shipping? Yes, Amazon FBA fees include shipping to customers, which is one of the biggest advantages of the program. When you use Fulfillment by Amazon, your products are stored in Amazon's fulfillment centers, and once a customer places an order, Amazon handles the entire shipping process, from packaging to delivery. The shipping cost is already built into the FBA fulfillment fee, so you don't have to pay separately for each shipment to customers. This system makes selling much easier and more efficient because you don't need to negotiate shipping rates or handle courier services. Amazon's global logistics network allows them to offer fast, reliable shipping, including free 2-day Prime delivery for millions of customers. As a result, your listings become more attractive to buyers, often increasing conversion rates and overall sales. Many successful sellers use FBA specifically because it removes the complexity of handling shipments. With Amazon managing storage, packaging, and delivery, you can focus on marketing and growing your product catalog. FBA's shipping integration also ensures professional handling and fewer delays, which boosts your brand's reputation and customer satisfaction. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to analyze, track, and optimize your Amazon FBA shipping and fulfillment like a pro.